Good day everyone, I'm Miles Marzano. Today, we'll be diving into fundamental HTML element used by the developers, the IMG tag. And we'll explore how this tag works, its attributes, and best practices for incorporating image into your web pages. The IMG tag. This tag is crucial tool for the developers. It allows you to embed image directly into your web pages, making your content more engaging and visually appealing. So, what is the IMG tag? In HTML element, the IMG tag tells the web browser to display an image on a web page. Vis- Visual enhancement. Images are crucial for making web content engaging, visually appealing, and conveying information effectively. Let's begin by understanding what the IMG tag is. It is an essential HTML element that allows web browser to display image directly on the web page. Visually, images are crucial in enhancing content, making it more engaging and effective in communicating informations. Next, we have the key attributes of the IMG tag that helps define the image properties. The SRC or the source attributes specify the URL of the image to be displayed. The alt attribute provides alternative text that describe the image for accessibility and search engine optimization purpose. Additionally, the width and height attributes allow you to define image dimension in pixels. So I'll be showing an example. By the way, you can import local files by ano, copying the directory of the image. Using the IMG for responsive design. In the age of mobile browsing, it's essential to design responsive image. Fluid image which adjust their sizes based on screen width can be achieved using percentage base width or the max width property. Image optimization is also key, providing multiple image sizes and using optimized formats ensure faster loading times. Lastly, CCS media queries allow you to adapt style for different screen sizes. So, best practice for using the IMG tag. When using the IMG tag, there are several best practices to follow. First, always provide meaningful alternative text or alt for accessibility and SEO. Next, choose appropriate file formats, JPEG for photos, and PNG for image with transparency. Compressing your image without losing quality can significantly improve loading speeds. And finally, consider using lazy loading to ensure that image load only when they are visible in user's viewport, reducing initial page load times. So, in conclusion, the IMG tag is a fundamental element that enables developers to integrate image seamlessly into their websites. By mastering its attributes and following best practices, we can create visually appealing, fast-loading, and accessible web pages. Thank you for listening. This is Miles Marzano.